Alright, we got Justin's Hall of Fame class of 2020 freebie. Thanks to everyone who participated. Oh, no, freebies on here. Top 4 win is 748 where I am right now. And we're going to go live. Let's check what Justin wants. Alright. We are live at 7:48. Here's this long ass list. Sorry, language. It's not numbered, so I don't know how many people are in this. What does it say? Nope, I don't know how many. So whatever comes up, comes up. It's like 517. Total rounds is 10. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last round, top 4 wins. 10. There you go. There are your 4 different winners. Congratulations. Scroll all the way through down. Here's your verification code. I will post that. It is 750. And we are done. And that says 750. Thanks, guys.